Which is the most common infectious disease among humans? Common cold. Which human body part is divided into cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral and caudal sections? Spine. Which side of the brain deals with scientific skills while the opposite side deals with creative skills? Left side. What is a connective part that forms the skeleton of the body and protects the internal organs? Bone. In the human body, which one of the following hormones regulates blood calcium and phosphate? Parathyroid hormone. Osteoarthritis is the inflammation of which part of the skeleton? Joints. How many blood platelets count in human body? 200,000-400,000 cubic mm. Universal receivers can receive blood from groups O, A, B, AB. Which is the hardest substance in a human body? Tooth enamel. What condition is caused by the excessive secretion of sebum and oily secretion from the sebaceous glands, which acts as a skin lubricant? Acne. Which of the following substances are secreted by the thyroid gland? Hormones. Which disease affects the spleen in a human body? Malaria. Which one of the glands in human body produces the growth hormone, somatotropin? Pituitary. At what age our brain stops growing in size? 15 years. How many times a living bone is stronger than the steel bar of the same weight? 6 times. What is the drug used to increase the output of urine to treat raised blood pressure? Diuretic. How many times does a woman's uterus stretch during pregnancy? 20 times. Which part of the human eye is transplanted from a dead donor to a living person? Cornea. What contains many lymphocytes, a part of the body's defense system against infection? Tonsils. What is a stringy tissue that can be tightened or relaxed in order to move a part of the body called? Muscles. The acid which is secreted by the glands in the stomach wall is hydrochloric acid. Which one of the following is the correct sequence in the order of decreasing length of the 3 structural parts given below of small intestine in the human body? Ileum, jejunum, duodenum. What is the common name for tympanic membrane in a human body? Eardrum. Epidermis is a part of which human organ? Skin. The hip and shoulder joints of humans are examples of which of these types? Ball and socket joint. Which is the largest part of the human brain? Cerebrum. Cartilage present in body is a connective tissue. Which among these is the largest human organ in the body? Skin. Which part of the brain controls respiration? Medulla oblongata. What condition will develop if the uric acid formed in excess and not excreted from the body? All of these. What is the total volume of blood filtered by our kidneys in a day? 200 liters. The loss of what results in a condition or disease called amnesia? Memory. During the process of respiration in human beings, the exchange of gases takes place in alveoli. What do you experience in sitting or squatting posture for a long time when your blood vessels and nerves got pressed or squeezed? Numbness. What is the normal W.B.C count in human body? 5000-10000 cubic mm. Where are palate and uvula located in the body? Mouth. Which of these glands secrete tears in eyes? Lacrimal. What is the total number of muscles present in our body? 640. T cells are named thus after what of it derived from? Thymus. What are human hairs and nails made of a pigment called? Keratin. What cells do not last for long, which divide just hours after they are made? Bone marrow cells. What does enamel cover? Crown of the tooth. In the human body, appendix is attached to large intestine. Which body's organ among these is paired? Lung. What might you suffer with after a long journey in the flight? Jet lag. In human beings, normally, the sperm fertilizes the ovum in which of the following parts? Fallopian tube. In normal conditions, how many days a man can survive without taking water in any form? 5 to 6 days. Production of which one of the following is a function of the liver? Lipase. Mercy killing of a person suffering with a terminal illness, with his/her consent, usually by a drug, is known as euthanasia. What is the content of urine we excrete? All of these.
Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get video updates.